If you are spending money on a Google Ads, Meta Ads, or Microsoft Ads, and you are not getting consistent results, the problem may not be in the advertising platform. It could be your targeting, your tracking, your landing page, your offer, or simply the way your advertising strategy has been built. Because successful paid advertising is not about clicking a button inside an ad manager. It's about understanding how customers actually find and choose a business. My name is Umer. That's the approach I use when I'm managing paid advertising for my clients. Let's make a simple example. Imagine you own a roofing company and someone's roof starts leaking. They open a Google and search, roof repair near me. That person has a problem. They already need attention. Google gives us an opportunity to put your business in the front of the customer at exactly the right moment. But now imagine you own an e-commerce brand selling running shoes. Someone may not be search on a Google for your specific product. They scroll Facebook or Instagram. They see your ad. The creatives catch the attentions. The offer interests them, and suddenly you have create demand. That's why I do not start by asking, should we use Google or Meta? I start by asking, how does your customer actually buy? The difference has been explained very simple. In a Google search, the customers say, I need something, and your business say, we have it. In Meta, your business say, you may want this, and customers say, interesting, tell me more. Different businesses require different strategies. Sometimes Google need more money, and sometimes Meta make more sense. But actually, the best strategy is using multiple platforms together. The platform should follow the customer journey, not the other way around. One of the biggest mistakes I see in judging everything from the advertising dashboard. A campaign generating click, but no lead. Someone say, Google is not working. But that's not enough information. I want to know, are we targeting right searches? Are those visitors are actually potential customer? Is conversion tracking is accurate? What happened when somebody click on my ad? Is landing page is strong? Is offer is competitive? Are phone calls being answered? And those leads are actually turned into the customers or not? Because the real journey look like this: ads, clicks, landing page, lead, customer, and revenue. If one part of the journey is broken, advertising performance may suffer. When I work with my client, my job is not simply to keep the campaign is running. My job to be understand where the budget is going, which campaign are producing results, which keyword, audience, product, location are profitable, where we are wasting our money, is conversion tracking is giving us reliable data, and most important, where we are scale profitability. Clicks and impressions are useful metrics, but business doesn't survive on a clicks. They survive on a customers and revenue. That's the difference between simple running ad and managing performance. When I take over or audit an advertising account, it's normally look like the complete picture. Campaign structure, search terms, keywords, bidding strategy, budget, audience signal, creative, conversion tracking, landing page, cost per lead, cost per acquisition, and ROAS, and the quality of leads or a sale we generating. Then we make decision based on the data, not assumption. I do not believe in changing everything every day. Good advertiser required testing, measurement, optimization, and enough clean data to make intelligent decisions. So, if you are looking someone who can simply create a Google ad, there are thousands of people who can do that. But if you are looking for someone who understands the paid advertising, tracking, customer intent, conversion tracking, strategy, and the performance, I am Umer. You can contact me here on Upwork. Tell me more about your business, what you are currently spending, and what you are trying to achieve. I will be happy to take a look and discuss where I believe the biggest opportunities are. Do not just run ad. Build a system that turns advertisement spend into the business growth. Thank you.